Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and today I will discuss about what is the Python assignment operator. It is my second video of my operator. Today I will discuss about the Python assignment operators and how to use the Python assignment operator in your program. So I think without any further delay, so now let's get started. So basically, what is the Python assignment operator? Now here we go, and you can see that this is my definition of the Python assignment operator. I used to assign the value to the variable. Suppose you have a variable and you want to assign the any variable in your variable. Suppose your variable name, as you wish, you want to give. Suppose your variable name Abhay. Suppose your A B, as you wish. If you want any name, you give the variable. Okay, and so now it's time to now discuss about the what this is this table of the operators. Okay, now here you can see that the number of operators available there and how to assign the value in the variable. Equal and plus equal and minus equal star asterisk equal and divide equal modular equal and double star, that means it is a exponential equal, and here the integer divisor equal. Okay, now y is equals to a plus b. Everyone knows the when a or value a or value a variable or b variables value added there and stored in the y. Okay, it is very simple. Suppose 10 plus 20 added and stored in the y variable. So what is the value of the y is the 30. Okay, suppose now here equivalent expression, so m is equals to given by the 15. So suppose plus equals to is plus equals to, how to use the, suppose m is equals to plus equal 10, that means m is equals to m plus 10. So what is the value of m? M already 15 and 10 what or more or added in this m. So what is the value of the m? So 25. And when I m when I m minus equals to 10, that means m is equals to m minus 10. So what is the value of m? M is equals to 15, and so 15 minus 10 is equals to the 5. Okay, I think you got it. And here m multiply equals to the 10. M multiplication 10, and what the value all the calculate the m multiply 10 and store in the m. Okay, and 150 is the result. So as well as m divide equal 10, so 10 15 divided by 10, and it gives the 1.5. As same thing is done here. M percent equals to the 10% is the modulus operator, so it modules is the it will give the remainder of this expression and store in the m. So m 15% modulo 5 10 is equals to the 5, and here as same thing is done here, and it is a exponential, so m is equals to m double multiplication equals to 2, or it is also as same as the m is equals to the m square. So here 225 is the result because m value of the m is equals to the 15. Okay, I think you got it. And here double divided equals to 10. Double divided is the sign of the integer divisor. Okay, and here m is equals to m double divided 10. So what is the value of m? M is 15. When you divide it from the 10 and it gives the 1.5, but it is the integer divisor, then it returns the 1. Okay, I think you got it all the variable how to assign the any variable. So it's time to go on the VS Code and write the sum code and how to work the assignment operator in program. Okay, and so without any further delay, so click on the go on the my file and go on the code folder, and here click on shift and right click and open the with the code, and here all the files so over there, and one file another file created and tut 9 and a si assignment.py. Okay, and this is my file, and firstly we will zoom it, after that I will continue. Now you can see, and this is my code. Suppose you want to store, and suppose here y is equals to the a plus b. This is my expression, and what is the value of the a is equals to the 10 and b is equals to the 20. So now when I will print it the value of y, and so please write the comment what is the value, what is the output of this program. So now as you can see that, and this is the value of the 13, and I know I think we know and what is the value because it is very simple. And now a plus b assigned in the y. Okay, this is a equal assignment operator, and when you go for the, suppose m is equals to the 15, and when you go for the m plus equals to the 10, and suppose m, then you print the value of m, and suppose this is same thing done here, and 3 times Okay, and here now suppose this is my plus equal operator. Okay, and now here this is my minus equal operator. Now there we go. Here the multiplication and equal operator. Okay, here the multiplication equal and operator. Okay, and now there we go. Here the divide equal and operators. Okay, now here use the multiplication, use the minus sign, here use the multiplication sign, and as well as here use the divided sign. Okay, I think you got it, and this is the same program from the table. Okay, and when I click on this, click on the run button, then you can see that, and plus equals to is equals to 25, and the 5 150 and 15, it is similar to the output from the table. Okay, and I have one more thing, and it is here use the modulo operator, and use the use the wait a minute, and use the sorry for that, and here use the two. Now here use the three things, and percent, double star, that means exponential, and now here use the integer divisor. Okay, when I use all that thing, and what the result, suppose here double divided, and now here use the double star, and here use the modulo operator. Okay, I think you got it. And when you click on this button, and then you can see that, and when you percent equals to use the assignment operator, then it will return the that value, and when you use the double star, and then it returns the very very big values, because it's a very high things, and it will give it will give the result m is equals to m double multiplication of the 15. That means 15 to the power 10, and it will calculate that value. Okay, and here when you use the m double modulo 10, and then 15 divided by the 10, and what will the result, and so a value, and the store in the value of m. uh, so I think so when you divide the 15 from the 10, and then output is the 1.5, but it is an integer divisor, so floating values or your decimal values are trunked and only accept the integer values. I think you got it, guys, and it is a very simple to assignment operator. And when you use you use in the program, and then you work daily with the program, and then you will easily understand. And it is not very complicated. And if you have any problem, and then you please contact me, and so write the comment for me, and I'm available for you. So that's it, and it's all about my assignment operator of the Python. So if you have any query, and then you ask me. So thanks for the watching, and ring the bell and hit the subscribe button. So thank you so much.